If you love outdoor entertaining, then having an outdoor kitchen is a must-have. If you're looking for high-quality cabinets made by skilled craftsmen using the finest materials, then American Outdoor Cabinets is the answer. With over 15 years of experience in CNC cabinet manufacturing, they've perfected the process from start to finish. They use CNC machines to ensure precise and accurate cuts, giving you consistent and well-fitted cabinets. They carefully select only the best material for outdoor kitchens, using genuine King StarBoard ST, a unique and advanced high-density polyethylene building sheet that lasts a lifetime. King StarBoard ST features a rich matte gloss finish on both sides of the sheet. It is environmentally stabilized to withstand the harshest outdoor conditions. The polymer will not rust, delaminate, or rot when exposed to UV, humidity, or water. King StarBoard ST never needs painting or refinishing, works like wood, and is easy to fabricate using common woodworking tools and techniques. American Outdoor Cabinets takes pride in their attention to detail and handcraft each cabinet to ensure that it meets the highest standard. Their mission is to provide the highest quality American-made outdoor cabinets at a competitive price. And if you're not sure about which cabinets to choose, you can always meet the friendly sales team at their showroom to see their wide range of designs and colors. American Outdoor Cabinets values transparency and the best customer service in the industry, and all of their cabinets are 100% American-made. So, whether you're planning a new outdoor kitchen or upgrading your current one, you can count on American Outdoor Cabinets and King StarBoard ST to deliver the perfect cabinets for your needs. American Outdoor Cabinets, the perfect cabinets for your perfect outdoor kitchen.